Hey foodies! Ever heard of Mirza Ghasemi? It's smoky, garlicky, and totally plant-based. Stick around cause once you try this, you'll never look at eggplants the same way again. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss a bite. Chop up some onions and garlic. Don't worry too much about the onion size, just go with however much you like. But when it comes to garlic, don't hold back. This dish loves a good amount of garlic. Roast the eggplants directly over the flame. We want that smoky flavor, so don't skip this step. Do the same with the tomatoes. Roast them right on the flame for that deep, smoky goodness. Once they're nicely charred, peel off the skin just like you see in the video. Then grab a knife and chop the eggplants real fine, kinda like you're smashing and slicing at the same time. Peel the tomatoes just like we did with the eggplants, then mash them up into a nice puree. Drizzle some olive oil into a pan, toss in the onions and garlic, and saute them until they turn golden and smell amazing. Once the onions and garlic are nicely golden, add in the tomato puree and let it cook down until the water evaporates. Then toss in the chopped eggplants, add a pinch of salt, and give it a good mix. In another pan, heat a little olive oil and fry up 2 eggs sunny side up. But hey, if you're plant-based or skipping eggs, no worries at all. This dish is still absolutely delicious without them. Just look at that color, it already looks so tasty. And that's our smoky, garlicky Mirza Ghasemi, simple, delicious, and totally addictive. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your foodie friends. I'll catch you next time. Until then, keep it tasty and don't burn the eggplants.